So I just figured out why the recording stops. I use the Windows key and the letter D to jump back to my main screen, and apparently that shuts the recording off. So the second half of the previous recording I'm going to have to do over again. This is time number 3. Anyways, I'm going to let you figure out how to navigate to whichever course that you want. Again, I can gladly show it to you on a team meeting sometime, which I know won't drop out. So we are going to choose this PDF. I hit open. Let me jump back into the proper, because this window popped open for me. So I chose my file. I hit the upload button. Again, you won't get that message. I just did it because I have to redo the video. And again, it gives you a box that you have to fill in what the title is. It doesn't default to what the file name is because the file name may not make any sense. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to jump to where I took that file, lessons. It was under Introduction to Basic Mechanics. And I'm going to jump back in, and there's my link text. Again, you can call it what you want. Maybe I don't want that word to print. Insert, update. So now they see this PETN Science 1 Introduction to Basic Mechanics, and it's also the link that'll jump them to the file. Under Watch Video, we go to Add a Description. I just picked some random YouTube video as an example. Again, I'm going to copy. Back in here, I'm going to insert link, and I'm going to scroll down and choose URL. Paste the URL, title. You know what, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come and steal what the actual title is by bolding it with the left mouse key, copying, coming in here, pasting it. I want it in a new window. Now in both cases these are done. I can hit update. If you want to see what it looks like from the student's view, we're going to go to Classroom, Class List. It defaults to this one. You're going to click All, and Instructor Student View, Impersonate. Now this is what the students would see from the overall course. So we will go to Content. The only one that's open, of course, is Week 1 because I've closed the rest. Click on Week 1 Checklist. So when they say Review Presentation, again, these will start off, they'll be unbolded. It jumps, and here's the PDF. They finish that off, they can check mark it. Watch video. What video is that?
Hi, thanks for stopping by next.
Thanks for stopping by Dave's videos. Watch that, etc., etc. I'd suggest you play around with the homework. When I put the homework in, okay, notice that I make this mistake all the time. I can't click it to edit it. That's because I'm still impersonating the student. I have to click on here and hit the X, and that puts me back into faculty mode. Go back to Content, Week 1 Checklist. Now I can edit it as faculty. All I did was, here's, uploaded to, well, I'm going to insert a quick link. What is the quick link in this case? It's assignments. I would suggest playing around with this, monkeying around, doinking around. Pick up whatever you want, play with it. If you don't like it, then you can either cancel it or you can delete the section. Again, this is Sandbox course. Even if you wanted to create a whole new Sandbox course just to play around with some of that functionality so you don't mess up anything. Worst case scenario, delete the Sandbox course entirely, create a new one, re-import that file that I emailed you, and start all over again. On that note, when you're ready to start up creation of your second course, Sandbox, new one, rename it to your other course name, import, so you can import that file I attached as many times as you want. Hope this helped, boys. Take care.